What's up everyone, this is Kenny here. So today I'm actually in Setia. I'm in Sunsuria Forum at 7th Avenue, Setia actually to be specific. I'm in this building, right? There's one hidden restaurant that has only one item on the menu. So today I'm actually here to try that one item. It usually sold out in a few hours, so I better go and get going and get in the queue. Okay? See you soon. Let's go. So this book access, right? There's a lift here. Take the lift to level 1 first. So once you're at level 1, turn right and turn right again. Okay? Then walk up this small flight of stairs on your left. And turn right again. You will reach an open air space like this. Okay? So you reach this open air space like this, right? And the shop is actually will be on your right. This is the shop. It's very hard to find. So it's gonna open soon. Let me be the first one in the queue. Okay, it's open for business. I'm the first customer here, so let's go. Beautiful. It's manned by one person here. So just sit down, have your meal. It's like an omakase experience. You get to see the chef actually preparing your food right in front of you. Appetizing, man. Thank you.
不好意思啊，吃收一碗的汤的水。
This one is this is fried nicely. So you can actually opt for a runny egg or it's a nicely fried. Okay. So there's pork here. Underneath there will be some vegetables. Okay. So let's try. So this is the Eurofun braised pork rice. So I mixed up everything. Eat it while it's hot. Okay, this is good. No wonder you keep coming back. This is good. I like this. Oh, especially when you eat it's hot. You can actually taste the pork.
Yeah.
The sauce, everything nicely meshed with the rice. No wonder it's sold out in a few hours.
I think we just open like 2 to 3 hours.
No, yeah, no. 2-3 hours only. So if you are around the corner, do come to this place. You can follow them on Instagram. I'll leave the address down below. And also how to get here. The shop is quite hidden. Okay, this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.